Aqua with WTI, and if you're looking for a new ceiling fan, definitely check this one out by TALOYA. I was so happy to find this ceiling fan for my sunroom. I wanted one that was modern, really low profile, and this was just perfect. I love the design, very simple, very minimal, and beautiful. I love the finish and that elegance that it adds to my sunroom. The best thing though has to be the remote control. Having a remote for your fan and your light just makes sense. You don't have to get up off your couch and go turn on the light or fan. So I just love that this comes with a remote and it is really amazing settings. There is 6 fan speeds, and the top fan speed is really powerful. It is amazing. This is the 52-inch fan, and I chose the black blade color, but also there is a reversible side which can be the wood grain as well. I love that this is an LED light, so there is not a bulb to change, so this is going to last you a really long time. I love that it is dimmable as well, so you can have a warm yellow to a bright white, and it can choose from 10 to 100%. All of those options are on the remote as well. Definitely check this one out if you're looking to upgrade your ceiling fan. This one will not disappoint. And that's my point of view.